Make this new year the year of you. As we embark into a new year, I want to share a New Year's resolution with you that I feel everyone should take into consideration. Make this new year the year of you. And what I mean by that is this: make your health, your happiness, what makes you fulfilled in life, your priority. Take care of yourself. It is not selfish to look out for yourself and your best interests. So focus on you. Now, for some of you that have families or people to take care of, you may not think that's a possibility, but what I would say is this: when you're on an airline, if there's an emergency, they always tell you to take care of yourself first before trying to help others. Now, why is that? It's because if something happens to you, if you're not at full capacity, what good are you to other people? The same thing applies in life. If you are not fully happy, fully healthy, taking care of yourself first, you can't be everything you're supposed to be for the others in your life that you care for. So make this year the year of you and take care of yourself. Happy New Year. I will see you in the next year with all brand new hats because I clearly need them.